This video is brought to you by Moomoo. If you want 7 free stocks worth up to $14,000, you can join using the links below in the description or pinned comment section. What is going on, everyone? Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today, we are going to be giving you guys an update on ENVB Biosciences, or ENVB stock. This is a psychedelic medical stock that is seeing enormous volume lately, has some absolutely juiced short interest statistics, and it is personally my most bullish micro cap that I am invested in right now. So because of that, I had to bring you guys the update, as there is a great technical setup looming on this stock. So drop a like if y'all enjoy this content, subscribe to the channel if you want more content. And if you wanted to join Hootmoney Trade Alerts, bag up with Hootmoney and other VIP members. I'll show you guys some of the profit we've made on the screen right now. It's been absolutely insane, bagging the F up this week. You can join using the first link below in the description or pinned comment section. And with that being said, we are doing a promotion for this stock, specifically ENVB, and we are doing a 50% coupon code for your first month of Hootmoney Trade Alerts using code ENVBOOM. You'll see it on the screen right now. But anyways, with that being said, let's just jump right into today's video. If you guys wanted to join, those links are below as well. Here you guys can see the Wall Street Journal posted today at 11:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Excuse me there. Psychedelic compound in magic mushrooms shows new promise as alcohol addiction treatment. Basically explains how magic mushrooms, or mushrooms that contain psilocybin, help people who have the disorder of alcoholism. So because of that, they believe that psychedelic stocks such as ENVB will be benefiting from it in the future. I mean, it is Wall Street Journal after all. It's not like it's CNBC. all right, whatever. Enough with the jokes. Let's get into the TA. If we're just looking at market Cipher, the daily chart is going to be printing that green means go dot. We got another one. We've actually been staying in a very, very suppressed, oversold state, even though we are in green money flow. This is short sellers on command right here, and I'll explain it to you guys, because we've had red money flow the entire life cycle of this company. There's nothing really to send this stock price unnaturally down. The company does have cash, and they have a very low ability to do an offering right now. So pretty much everything in terms of future diluting of the company is being priced into the current share price. They also have a ton of cash. If we're just looking at mere shareholders equity right there, they have $22 million worth of shareholders equity. Their market cap is only at $10 million, meaning that they have double the shareholders equity as the current market cap, and they are probably not going to be doing an offering anytime soon. They actually just did have one in July right there. That one just closed. On top of all that, it's worth mentioning, and we've already gone over this, so this is a little bit of a recap, that they have $18 million worth of cash, and they just posted this. This was literally posted on August 12th. They are juiced up with cash, more cash than the current market cap of the company. If you're just going to liquidate this entire company, you'd get more money than what the share price is trading at right now. All of that on top of psychedelic stocks being the theme of the market. If we just take a look at ticker symbol drug, a very similar company, it is up 54% right now. And this is also, it has a psychedelic. I don't see it in that description, but obviously the ticker symbol is called drug. So they're going to be doing psychedelic medicine in that ticker. Mind medicine as well. We all have heard by now that the person that made over $100 million on Bed Bath & Beyond also bought into Mind Medicine, and you can see the volume on this stock today and how it's had this nice upward move. It sold off a little bit. It's time for it to come back up. We'll probably see somewhere in the news. You can see right here, MindMed, a newly minted meme. College kid who made $100 million on Bed Bath & Beyond is involved in psychedelics. So guys, we literally have a stock that is in the news right now, ENVB, and it is also sitting at an all-time low with all of this volume. It's just pull up that on-balance volume. Look at what that on-balance volume is pointing at, right? The stock is sitting at a nice low right here, but on-balance volume is through the freaking roof. It's insane. It's insane. So with that being said, the technical setup here is just absolutely ridiculous. If we go into some lower time frames, we can see that as well. The hourly chart got the buy signal today. So the last time it got a buy signal was all the way back here, also at a similar share price. And since then, it moved up pretty significantly, seeing a high of 854. Now, my price target's going to be a lot higher than 854. However, that was a decent time to take some short-term profits in hindsight. The other two signals that they got were strong signals, so you see that right there. But since then, we are getting our first buy signal, red to green money flow as well there on Market Cipher. So the technicals are looking amazing. You can also consider this a double bottom, quadruple bottom if you're counting back here. It is looking good in Enveric Biosciences or ENVB stock, so I had to bring the update to you guys. I had to. Also, I was just spamming this in Discord this morning. That's also like the value of the Discord. I was like, ENVB is gonna pump today, guys. Today is the day. If you sold, it's time to buy back in. Not financial advice. I was saying all that in the Discord today. Pretty funny. We called that one on the absolute dime with that rocket there at open. Currently seeing a bull flag on the day. Shorts are gonna try to push it down. Could definitely be a shakeout, but you can see how well on balance volume is holding there. Moving into the Ortex data, 18% short interest, 242% cost to borrow. Takes almost an entire day to cover that short interest right there. Utilization, I believe that is fake because obviously cost to borrow super high right there. They haven't been able to move up short interest too high. It's been pretty much peaking out there at 18%. Moving into Fintel, you can see that they do have 50,000 shares available to short, which makes me believe that they are giving up, right? They're covering some of their shares, gonna let it rip a little bit, and then they're gonna try to short it again, and then we're not gonna sell because we're gonna squeeze them even more. On top of that, it's still 100% borrow rate. It did come down as they did find a bit more shares here, 80,000 out as of yesterday. That does bring down the borrow rate slightly. But what I really wanted to show you guys was the short volume ratio, because short volume was elevated ever since I started covering this stock. I started covering it over here on 8/16, and you can see what exactly happened on 8/16. Hootmoney got attacked. People are shorting Hootmoney. People are stupid. 66% short volume the day that I got onto the stock. The short volume goes from 16,000 in a day to 132,000 to 117,000 to 1.17 million to 152,000 right there. Today we have elevated volume as well, as you can see that spike up. So it's gonna be probably a couple 100,000 short volume today, all while they had 0 shares to short last week, a 242% cost to borrow. You need all of this to take down Hootmoney, huh? Look at the short exempts as well. 0 on 812 right there. 815, 7. A measly 7. That's like $30, guys. 36, 30, I don't even know off the top of my head. Next day, 16,000. Next day, 600. Next day, 8,000, 2,000, 5,000. Look how much they're shorting. They're shorting Hootmoney, baby. We're going to make them pay for it. They've lost before. They're going to lose again. That's all I really have, guys. We went over the cash. We went over the dilution tracker. We went over everything, guys. This is looking good. Absolutely juiced. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Drop a like if you are holding ENVB strong, and you are going to be holding it to the moon. Subscribe to the channel channel if you are new and want more content, more stocks that bag up with Hootmoney. And then if you wanted to join Hootmoney and other VIP members, you can join Hootmoney Trade Alerts. Remember, we are running the discount code ENVBOOM to get 50% off your first month of Hootmoney Trade Alerts. If you wanted to try it out, those links are below in the description or pinned comment section. And that's all we got, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.